All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Unfortunately, I actually didn't get a trade in today. So, no trades for me on XFAs. Why? My fucking copy trader wasn't working. Every time I use Trade Copia. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm still going to use them just because they've worked a lot better for me than TradeSyncer, but I've never had the best of luck with a trade copier. I'm going to show, honestly, I got saved. I would have taken a loss today. So, thank God the copy trader didn't work. I kept trying to log in and it wouldn't even connect my accounts. Right, and I've spent the last 20 minutes trying to figure it out, and they finally fucking connected. But in the meantime, I'm going to go over what I saw coming into the market. I made $0 today, for starters. Nothing. 0 trades. No executions. What I would have taken was a pretty small loss if I took a trade. Why? I was bearish. I was honestly very bearish today. We're still trading inside this daily bearish. 4-hour flipped, inverting this gap right here. Hourly is bullish, honestly. We did tap into this gap right here, which is also in 0.5 of a range, and also broke structure to the upside right here. So yes, the hourly is bullish. The 4-hour, in my opinion, is bearish, and the daily is bearish, in my opinion. On the 15-minute time frame, I did also think we were just going to push lower. I had all these highs marked out in case we did want to push any higher. We have all this low resistance liquidity right here. So in hindsight, maybe longs were the play. What I thought we were going to do was honestly dump. We have London lows down here, right? We had equal lows at London lows, actually. So I thought we were going to push lower. So what I see is, all right, we sweep these highs. We're in a bearish 4-hour gap. So we sweep these highs in a 4-hour gap and get displacement to the downside right here, making a CISD. I would have entered short here. I would have entered short right here. This is the trade I would have taken. And it would have been a loss. And I would have been okay with this loss because it was a 1 to 2 risk reward. Very tight stop loss. So honestly, I was bearish. This is the trade I would have taken. Like I said, I didn't take any trades. I actually ended up blowing my, my take profit trader evals. Got blown yesterday. I didn't realize. When I took a loss on my account, my take profit trader got blown. The first loss I took and the second dub I took, the first loss blew my account. So I no longer have take profit trader evals. I actually just picked up 5 funded next accounts, and I still have my 150k instant fundings with Tradeify. I did end up deactivating my 150k accounts with Lucid just because I realized I just spent $2,000 on these accounts for no fucking reason. Biggest waste of money. Because I just realized that they have 8 winning days. I thought it was 5 winning days, and I checked their rules. And it's 5 winning days, but 8 trading days. And it's not worth my time. That's only 2 payouts max a month that I can get from them. And even though they'd be good sized payouts, I'd rather have all my accounts in sync. That's my goal for the new year, is to copy trade all my accounts in sync. So I want to have as many accounts as I can have these same rules. What are the rules? 5 winning days to take a payout. That is all I want, right? So I deactivated the 150s like literally 2 minutes ago, and I picked up 5 50k flex evals. So I'm going to be trading the 50k flex evals with my 150k instant funding Tradeify. Still have those. And as well as 5 funded next accounts. Oh, we're dumping. What? Holy Diddy candle. What the fuck just happened? Do we have 10 a.m. news? Maybe there was 10 a.m. news. Nice. Did not know there was 10 a.m. news. But yeah, pretty simple trading day to say the least. I was bearish as fuck. I was so bearish. I was also bearish yesterday. I made the same mistake. I was bearish at market open, and the market obviously, it pumped, then dumped, then pumped, then consolidated, and now we just took out all this buy side. Like I said, I was bearish. No regrets. Still think the higher time frame should have balanced the range and pushed lower. I didn't think we were done taking out sell side, right? But we are still in this chop right here. We need to pick a side, right? Overall, not much for me to say today. My bias was wrong coming to the day. No trades because my trade copier broke. That's a sign. Thank you, God. Simple. I really don't know what to say today. There's not much of me to talk about. Maybe the market does want to dump now. I wouldn't see a reason for the market to want to take out all this buy side to just dump though. I would have thought we would have respected this 4-hour gap right here. There's no reason for price to push below this leg. If we push below this leg now, that is just very poor price action, in my opinion. Like extremely poor price action for price to push up, take out buy side, inverse a bearish 4-hour gap, and then push lower. There's quite literally no reason for price to push lower at this point. ES was actually pretty slow compared to Nasdaq. ES. Damn, we're about to take out the 930 low in ES. Yeah, so in my opinion, this is just poor price action for the way I trade, right? For some of you guys, this could be good price action. This is very poor price action for the way I trade. Does that mean price was necessarily bad? No, it was volatile. It was probable depending on your strategy. For my strategy, it was not probable whatsoever. Would have been a losing day, saved by the bell, right? Pretty simple rules to go by, right? But hope you guys have a blessed day. Safe trading. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Like once again, I said, this was my trade for the day, or what would have been my trade for the day was this. Small loss. Wouldn't have been upset about it at all. That is what makes a trader a good trader. The ability to actually, wait, no, this was major. No, I would have taken profit here, realistically. Here. This is what I wanted price to do. What makes a trader a good trader is the ability to take a loss and fuck off the charts and do nothing, right? So I hope you guys have a great day. Trade safe, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.